Welcome to Rose-Colored Plans. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jen, and I love to plan, or to decorate my planner. And so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And if you have watched any of my videos before, welcome back. Today I am going to be planning in my classic size detailed florals happy planner for the month of August. I'll be doing a monthly spread, and I have a post-it note here with a few important dates. August 10th, school starts for my oldest, and the 17th, homeschool starts here for my younger two, and my mom's birthday is on the 23rd, and I just put a couple notes on the post-it notes. So for this spread, I'm going to be creating a reading log. I have been seeking inspiration for how to use my monthlies, because I feel like so often I decorate it and it's so pretty and I put down appointments and birthdays, but then for the rest of the month I don't even like really look at it other than week to week to see what is happening for that week. But I want to really utilize it and make it a useful piece of of my planner. So I'm going to be decorating it, but also making sure that it serves the purpose of being a reading log where I can track my minutes that I read and the chapters and pages that I read as well. I'm going to be using just washi for the lines and the detailed florals and the bookish sticker books. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started and see how it turns out. Okay, so now that the washi is down, I'm gonna get some flowers from the detailed florals. Maybe I will. Or see if there's just any boxes I can use. I'll grab some of the boxes from there. Let me see what I'm gonna use from here. So I think I'll probably use a lot of the Reed stickers. I like the idea of having a little bookshelf up here. A little stack of books down on this side. So school starts on the 10th for my oldest, and I don't know what that's gonna look like for him yet. And then the 17th, we're gonna start school at home with my younger two boys. So that's going to be exciting and fun. I'm interested to see what school will be like for my oldest, if it's going to be at home or if it's going to be at school, and what it'll like, what changes they're going to make at their school. Oh no, 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 no. I closed my book too early and it slammed the thing down. Well, that's not good. Well, I'll be back. Okay, so that was a bit of a mess, but it's okay. It always humbles me when something like that happens. Okay, so I like the little books. So I know my goal is reading. And these little read banners. Okay. So my mom is where I get like my love of flowers from. She has the most beautiful flowers in her yard, and I absolutely like a lot of the pictures that I take of roses and stuff, like that's from her yard. She grows them and she does such a beautiful job. I cannot seem to keep plants alive, but she does such a beautiful job, and I just admire her for it and love how she just does what she does. I'm gonna grab the Celebrate sticker book real quick. I grabbed the teacher sticker book. I'm gonna see if there's like a School Begins sticker in there or something. And Life is a Party. I couldn't find my Celebrate sticker book. And the Handwritten Plans. So, gonna start with the Life is a Party. Because I just need something kind of small. I have a single balloon. I'm gonna try to see if one of the little balloons will fit and not be way too big. Okay, I think it'll be fine. Okay, I'm gonna go to the teacher sticker book and see if there's anything in there. School. Oh, back to school right there. Good, good, good. So I'll use this one on the 10th and see if there's another one. Or maybe if I can find something else that kind of works with it as well. That might work too. Oh, they had some cute birthday stickers in here too. Okay, well I don't seem to have another one, so that's okay. I will just I'll write in begins for this one, or starts. Okay, so I got that done. think I want a few more of just like little boxes at the bottom to kind of give me a place to write the things that I read. It'll just add some fun to it. I like the books, actually. I'm gonna put some of the books down. I have these in my faith sticker book as well, and well, it wasn't a faith sticker book, but then I took them all out. But we'll just put them sporadically. Let's put it down here. And do I want to put one more on this side? I feel like I kind of do. I might put one on Saturday. Yeah, I'll put one on Saturday. There we go. Now I'm just trying to add some like just small details to the page and giving it a little more of a peaceful vibe. This one is gonna be like just escape into a book type of. Okay, these, I found these. They're like little boxes, but they look so cute. Do a little overlap. Put this one up here. Would it be weird if I put it right here? Yeah, it would be weird. So I'm not gonna do that. I'll probably put one here. I want to put something down there too, because it seems so empty right there. Let's see. A book. We'll do a different color though. No. Maybe this one. And then reading. Okay. I did not use as many of the detailed floral stickers as I would have liked, but I really like how this turned out. And this is everything. I like the way it turned out. I like that it's colorful, it's bright, but it's also like very calming. Like when you look at books, like for me, I'm instantly calmed because I really do love reading and the additional like little details. And then I have the back to school. In the school, I need to get a pen. Well, Okay, going to Papermate Flare pen, and it is my favorite pen to use to write. My handwriting is not the best, so bear with me, but it is definitely my pen of choice. Okay, homeschool begins. I don't know what I was doing with that, but it's there. But yeah, so this is everything. I like it. It's fun, peaceful. I might, no, I like it. I'm leaving it alone, and I am looking forward to logging my reading into it and any additional things that I need to. Oh yeah, I forgot to put my mom. Okay, so my mom's birthday is the 23rd, and I'm back to school for my oldest on the 10th, and lots of encouragement to read. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that if you are looking for ideas for monthlies, like this is an idea, and how to use it and things like that. But just enjoy it, have fun, experiment with different things, see what you'll use and don't use. That's kind of what I'm doing here. Is I'm going to try to use it as a reading tracker to get me back into the habit of reading every day. Because when I read, I'm like, why don't I do this more often? Well, this is to help me be inspired to do it more often and to get into that habit. Thank you again for watching, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful month. See you in the next video. Bye.